Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Tasty Food Easy. Now today we're going to make the easiest banana bread in the world. I know there's as many sorts of banana bread out there as there is hairs on my head, but this one's nice and easy. We're going to try and do it all in one go if we can. So basically get as ripe as possible a banana, or bananas, 3 of them for this recipe. Throw them all in, and alright. Now the riper the banana, the tastier the banana bread is going to be. And once you've got your bananas in there, like I say, 3 nice bananas, just have to get a fork, a nice easy fork, and just give them a rough press up. You don't want to mush them up too much, you want some chunks of banana in there as well. I've got that all done. Also in this today we're going to be using 2/3 of a cup of brown sugar. We have 2 eggs, some cinnamon, nutmeg and honey as well, which gives it the beautiful flavour. We've got 100 grams of melted butter, which is going straight in now. We've got 2 eggs which we're going to whisk, and they're going to go in. So just mix that butter in with the banana. Get that all combined, because what we want to do is try and get all of our ingredients combined before we put the flour in. And the flour, we just want to get it to combine so it doesn't lose any of that nice air and it makes it all nice and fluffy. Whack them in. Give them a nice whisk up. Alright, they're all nicely whisked in. Beautiful. Now from there, give this a bit of a rinse, and we'll put in our sugar. Oh, it's looking good so far. Now it's always good to keep a nice piece of old bread in the sugar. Keeps the moisture out of it. Well, helps keep the moisture out of it. So it doesn't go all lumpy. Now we want 2/3 of a cup. Just a touch more. Alright, 2/3 of a cup of sugar in. Use that to mix in as well. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Now to that, throw in some nutmeg. I'll throw in about a teaspoon of nutmeg and about a teaspoon of cinnamon. And it gives it heaps of flavour. And then we'll throw in a couple of teaspoons of honey. Give it a bit more sweetness, because hey, there's not enough sugar in this already. Actually, this is a nice caramello honey, beautiful honey this. Just going to mix her up a little bit. Oh yeah. So I'm basically just going to whack about a dessert spoon in. Shouldn't lick your fingers, but still, I did. Oh, that honey is beautiful. Give that a mix around as well. And then from there, we're going to put our flour in. And we're just going to fold it all in. Just as it's just starting to combine like it is, beautiful. We're then going to put it into a pre-greased tray, but I just get it and I just spray it with a bit of oil. Makes it nice and easy. Just stops it from sticking. Now get our nice mix. Pour it in. Alright, just smooth it down a bit. Alright, got it down about as smooth as we can. So now we're just going to whack it into a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. 45 minutes we'll give it a check and see how it's going. Okay Google, countdown 45 minutes.
Alright, 45 minutes. Starting now.
Gotta love modern technology. Alright guys, we'll come back in about 45 minutes and see how it's all gone. Okay guys, now we've given this about 50 minutes cooking. I've used a skewer. I put the skewer in so if it comes out and it's nice and dry, there's no sticky stuff on it, then it's cooked. So what we're going to do is leave it in here just for a couple of minutes. We're then going to take it out, leave it for about 10 minutes or so, and I'll cut a nice slice off for you and I'll show you what it looks like. This is how your banana bread should look after you're finished with it. Cuts off a very nice slice. Very, very tasty, I can tell you right now. Well, thanks a lot for watching another episode of Tasty Food Easy. I hope to catch you on the next episode.